This week is National Hurricane Preparedness Week.
So would you take a look at the bottom of your screen there? We're on your side. We have a countdown to hurricane season, which now is, do I see it on there? Yeah, 23 days away.
It's getting close. And tonight, meteorologist Robert Spett is on your side, taking a look at today's hurricane prep topic.
Hurricane Preparedness Week continues. Today's theme is staying protected during the storm. Of course, that means staying inside your safe space and having ways to get alerts so you can stay informed throughout a storm system as well. Now, being in that safe space doesn't mean you have to evacuate hundreds of miles ahead of a hurricane. In fact, this is what the director of the National Hurricane Center had to say on that.
You don't always have to drive hundreds of miles or out of the state of Florida to get to a safe place in advance of a hurricane. You really just need to drive out of that storm surge evacuation zone and get to a safe place, a shelter, the home of a friend or loved one, where you can safely ride out the storm.
And we can't stress enough making sure you're staying inside throughout the event of a hurricane, having those weather alerts available, and make sure you listen to officials in your local area. For more information on this and for the upcoming hurricane season, check out our website. I'm meteorologist Robert Spett.